The man them too inconsiderate. 5-star hotel smoking cigarette, mixing codeine up with a Finnegan. She got thick but she wanna get thin again. Drinking apple cider vinegar, wearing skim cause she wanna be Kim and them. Alright, I know they are bad, stop acting innocent. We ain't got generational wealth, it's only a year that I've had these millions. My whip could have been in a Tokyo drift car, it's fast and furious. I went from the Toyota Yaris to Urus, they had their chance but blew it. Now this gal want me and her uterus, fuck it, I'm rich, let's do it.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as her life is squinting, can't just stare. We're babe through thick and thin, she already fixed so I'm halfway there. Brown and bad, could've changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put 9 gal in a sprinter.
100 eaters, it won't fit in one SUV, nah. SOS, somebody rescue me, I got too many, all I got, they could last me the next 2 weeks. Alright, like send the address through please.
SUV, the outside white, the inside brown like Michael Jack. More time and Bella line and trap, spend like I don't even like my stack. Pistol came on an Irish ferry, let go and it sound like a tap dance. The way that I bought, no yellow, the ref had to give me a black card. Who did what we're doing with rap? Man couldn't sell out his show after all them years of doing a cat. Sprinter, 2 gal in a van, inter. 2 man in Milan, heard one of my things dating. P Diddy need 20% or whatever she bags. Outside, my head in my hands.
I told her my name is Sen, she said no, the one on your birth certificate. Your boyfriend ran from that diamond test cause they weren't legitimate. She Turkish Cypriot, but her car's Brazilian. I want her, my bro wants her affiliate. I'm cheap, still hit a chick like, yo, can I borrow your Netflix? She a feminist, she think I'm sexist. Twisting my words, I think she dyslexic. Give me my space, I'm intergalactic. Before I give you my Insta password, I'll give you the pin to my Amex. Alright, this ain't stainless steel, it's platinum. Dinner table, I got manners. T-shirt tucked in, napkin. Still loading, that's the caption. I've only amounted a minimal fraction. Eat good, I got indigestion. Bare snow in my hood, no aspirin. Can't get rid of my pain with aspirin. Dave just came in an Aston, I'm making that Maybach music. They're tryna insult my intelligence, sometimes I may act stupid. I never went uni, I've been on a campus selling cocaine to students. If bro let the drumstick beat, then something gon' leak, we ain't playing exclusives.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as her life is squinting, can't just stare. We're babe through thick and thin, she already fixed so I'm halfway there. Brown and bad, could've changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put 9 gal in a sprinter.
100 eaters, it won't fit in one SUV, nah. SOS, somebody rescue me, I got too many, all I got, they could last me the next 2 weeks. Alright, like send the address through please.
Fire for a wife beater, can't rock with that, I ain't wearing a vest. Man have to send her therapy, she got an E-cup bra, a lot on her chest. I'm in Jamaica, Orica best. Hit a lick when cash converters, that don't work, it's porno chess. I'm doing more and talking less. I love chilling with broke bitches, man, book one flight and they're all impressed. I'm in the G63, the car hugged me like a friend through twists and turns. Man living for Nyash and dying for Nyash is fucked. Don't know which one's worse, I'm fucked. Bags in his and hers, what's hers is hers, what's mine is too. Heard that girl was a gold digger, it can't be true if she dated you. AP baby blue, papers pink, I probably hate me too. You ever spent 6 figures and stared at Bay like, look what you made me do. Yeah. Started with a queue, didn't wait in line. Weird, I'm asking my Blasian one, why you so focused on your Asian side? I know that the Jack boys pray that they get to the clubs and Dave's inside.
Welcome to Brixton, I'm in the party with Barbies and drillers. The kickback mad on the spinner, I see enough man just run for my niggas. How they talk about dingers, they ain't got dingers, they ain't beat cool not a dinger. My little nigga riding loose with a chinger, man you get done with your nigga. Welcome to Brixton, I'm in the party with Barbies and drillers. The kickback mad on the spinner, I see enough man just run for my niggas. How they talk about dingers, they ain't got dingers, they ain't beat cool not a dinger. My little nigga riding loose with a chinger, man you get done with your nigga. Brixton bully, slide with a body, man hold 2 from the woody. Cyru gangster, niggas know me, man leave 2 in your hoodie. My youngsters are nutters, stay with the cutters, chef up you and your mother. 3R got nicked for a Mazda, now he's doing life in the slammer. How many times have I circled the up block again and again till a man got slapped with a hammer? Bro's a well-known rider, I'll hop off a bike, watch the ops and sing like Mariah. It was screw and shook to the slap that corn when shh got bun. Man ain't a liar, corn come gold like Kaya. Slap man live, I'm a well-known striker. Aim for the chest and higher. If I miss them, watch best back bulldog. Everything there get fryer. Bad bees come to the rack. I tell the young G's be gentle and line up. Bin's got nicked with a whole lip of grub. Free bro is a well-known rider. Welcome to Brixton, I'm in the party with Barbies and drillers. The kit back mad on the spinner. I see enough man just run for my niggas. How they talk about dingers, they ain't got dingers. They ain't beat cool, not a dinger. My little nigga riding loose with a chinger. Man, you get done with your nigga. Welcome to Brixton, I'm in the party with Barbies and drillers. The kit back mad on the spinner. I see enough man just run for my niggas. How they talk about dingers, they ain't got dingers. They ain't beat cool, not a dinger. My little nigga riding loose with a chinger. Man, you get done with your nigga. I see bear man ducking and diving. I crash just what I'm trying to leave heads bleeding. I'm sick and tired of the skeeting. Back fist wipe, I see bear man breezing. Bro, circle the with a something got dropped in the evening. Bad bees come down south with a diva. Ain't got a Jimmy, I ain't beating. Slap at a man on the back row. Look to my right, I see my ex-tins preening and screaming. I broski just spin this whip. Let me lean at the ride and crash at his wig. For ops are pricks, they get touched and talk to the pigs. Man got grabbed for aim in the aim. On a Friday, man got slapped in the bin. Welcome to Brixton, I'm in the party with Barbies and drillers. The kit back mad on the spinner. I see enough man just run for my niggas. How they talk about dingers, they ain't got dingers. They ain't beat cool, not a dinger. My little nigga riding loose with a chinger. Man, you get done with your nigga. Welcome to Brixton, I'm in the party with Barbies and drillers. The kit back mad on the spinner. I see enough man just run for my niggas. How they talk about dingers, they ain't got dingers. They ain't beat cool, not a dinger. My little nigga riding loose with a chinger. Man, you get done with your nigga. Welcome to Brixton. I'm in the party with Barbies and drillers. Welcome to Brixton. And I'm in the party with Barbies and drillers.
Just saying no. I'm loving what I'm saying for me. Don't give a fuck. Anybody, I know what you need, baby. Listen to me speaking. Don't give a fuck. Just saying hi. I'm loving what I'm saying for me.
Oh shit.
Don't give a fuck. Anybody,
Mason.
Lately I've been ghosting, getting my bread up. I nearly forgot I could rap. It's 4 AM right now, I ain't had no sleep on my way tryna write me a track. And bro really should've kicked ball like Foden, but he's OT, serving crack. Never had P, swear no cap, we're just tryna move far from the council flats. I've been living 2 lives at Hannah. Bro so stuck in a dusty trap, couldn't care about the glitz and glamour. I ain't tryna die young like Roddy, so Brody I might buy me a hammer. They might take my life, so I gotta watch out when I step in the manor. I nearly forgot I'm a rapper. Life ain't sweet when you're raising hell, bro. Been heartbroken on numerous occasions. He found love with the dots and shows. Let me tell you a fact, only time that he's ever been cuffed, he was sitting in cells. He can never put faith in girls, he'd rather get thrown in jail. He'd rather get thrown in jail. Life ain't sweet when you're raising hell, bro. Been heartbroken on numerous occasions. He found love with the dots and shows. Let me tell you a fact, only time that he's ever been cuffed, he was sitting in cells. He can never put faith in girls, he'd rather get thrown in jail. He'd rather get thrown in jail. I'm in a booth trying to clear my mind, pushing out all of my pain into rhymes. I've allowed myself to get hurt, bro, said that I'm way too kind. And lately I've been battling myself, it's peace that I pray I find. Mommy would've cried if I ever went also. I ain't never been on no county line, I was broken brass. Never had rats, I ain't tryna go back to the old me. I put my life on the line for my slam, I was here when I needed a homie. And there's so much pain in my heart, I ain't never seen love come show me. I've been hiding my face cause I hate being bait, I'm like a ninja, you shinobi. Gang, taking risks just to make some bands. I was outside trying to stack my papes, somewhere that were bashing to OnlyFans. And dad weren't really around, so it's only mum that made me a man. Instead of splashing on drip from Italy, should've been saving to buy me land. Yo, even with drip in the closet, still be the block when a man them hang. I made sure that I had myself, I never needed a helping hand. And there's times where I feel like crypto, so I get gas when I make me grands. To make it out of my town is rare, car life ain't never been fair, so I couldn't care about the youths I sang. Lately I've been ghosting, getting my bread up, I nearly forgot I could rap. It's 4 AM right now, I ain't had no sleep on my way tryna write me a track. And bro really should've kicked ball like Foden, but he's OT, serving crack. Never had P, swear no cap, we're just tryna move far from the council flats. I've been living 2 lives at Hannah. Bro so stuck in a dusty trap, couldn't care about the glitz and glamour. I ain't tryna die young like Roddy, so Brody I might buy me a hammer. They might take my life, so I gotta watch out when I step in the manor. I nearly forgot I'm a rapper. Lately I've been ghosting, getting my bread up, I nearly forgot I could rap. It's 4 AM right now, I ain't had no sleep on my way tryna write me a track.
Just saying no. I'm loving what I'm saying for me. Don't give a fuck. Anybody.
Mason.
Got grand 2-4s every day of the week, that's the reason I'm struggling staying asleep. And I love when I'm taking wins, but I feel like shit when I lose my streak. Gotta make sure the gang and family eats, the reason I'm chasing a meal, no meek. I ain't never been affiliated, but I got bro like he got me. Got grand 2-4s every day of the week, that's the reason I'm struggling staying asleep. And I love when I'm taking wins, but I feel like shit when I lose my streak. Gotta make sure the gang and family eats, the reason I'm chasing a meal, no meek. I ain't never been affiliated, but I got bro like he got me. Had to grind and wait my turn, I ain't never had orders to put me on. Can't wait till I see me and Mil. JB's been hungry for way too long. And I've been through so much shit, can't you tell by the pain that I put in my songs? Bro got beef, then count me in, I'ma turn that shit to a 2v1. Me and bro like Ace and Mitch, ain't never been gang, but if they ever touch on his, then he promised to me that he's taking trips. He got me like I got him. I've been drinking from day till night, I can't stop till my paper flips. And I've been verified in rap way before Insta gave me a tip. Grind 2-4s every day of the week, that's the reason I'm struggling staying asleep. And I love when I'm taking wins, but I feel like shit when I lose my streak. Gotta make sure the gang and family eats, the reason I'm chasing a meal, no meek. I ain't never been affiliated, but I got bro like he got me. Damn, I camp in the studio day till night, cause my grind's intense. I'm one of the hardest to come on my city, I swear I don't care if they take offense. I didn't see me a single soul them times, I struggle to make me a pence. And it's either you're with me or not, I can't trust that youth, he sits on the fence. Lately I've been focused on getting my bread, I swear I couldn't care what a pagan says. I ain't never been affiliated, but I bet my bro, I ain't never been wet. I don't need no ass, I still look lit in a Nike tech. They been plotting to take me out, but they ain't managed to find me yet. Got grind 2-4s every day of the week, that's the reason I'm struggling staying asleep. And I love when I'm taking wins, but I feel like shit when I lose my streak. Gotta make sure the gang and family eats, the reason I'm chasing a meal, no meek. I ain't never been affiliated, but I got bro like he got me. Got grind 2-4s every day of the week, that's the reason I'm struggling staying asleep. And I love when I'm taking wins, but I feel like shit when I lose my streak. Gotta make sure the gang and family eats, the reason I'm chasing a meal, no meek. I ain't never been affiliated, but I got bro like he got me. I'm chasing a meal, no meek. I ain't never been affiliated, but I got bro like he got me.
Yo, Aaron, that sounds cold.
Hey, Rocky, this way.
I had to run man down real quick for giving me lippy, taking a piss, they flexing viz, don't bust no sticks. Bunch of lies, they ain't on shit, yeah we look on foot. Heads or whips, the truth must speak, no fibs. Got links for the wall, got tools on the street, so come round, they get whipped. I had to run man down real quick for giving me lippy, taking a piss, they flexing viz, don't bust no sticks. Bunch of lies, they ain't on shit, yeah we look on foot. Heads or whips, the truth must speak, no fibs. Got links for the wall, got tools on the street, so come round, they get whipped. Told my bro go get him, hands on my heart and he up get wet. If you buck into gang, don't leg it, fuck it. If see you up, my chef it. Hop at the right, bad man get stretched. B2, do up your throat like Lemson. If not, you gon' aim your chest. Is doing what quick, then slide to the next crib. Man really do trap. Gang fly OT with a batch, come home with something like over a rack. Save that man, invest in waps. Dots, spinners, they all go bang. Beef was man, it must be mad going nasty. Now his face got whack going nasty. Now his face got whack. We step with a tank when we're right on the block. Scream two of your brethrens drop. Fuck, pull up on them on dump or worse, we fling my man in the trunk. Half of your team been touched, but you still wanna chat and that tough. Keep that energy live in the flesh, cause if I catch you, you're done. I can run man down real quick for giving me lippy, taking a piss, they flexing viz, don't bust no sticks. Bunch of lies, they ain't on shit, yeah we look on foot. Heads or whips, the truth must speak, no fibs. Got links for the wall, got tools on the street, so come round, they get weak. They love talk about trap. But they never see no trappies. Facts, we really at serving cats. Linking shots at council flats. My flight OT for the cash. Don't spend that man, invest in waps. Slide to the block, then banging. Slide to the block where she got stabbed. Got a bug coming in for the low. Fly up country, got bits of both. This phone line keeps on twerking. The cats keep coming, it's life in O. Keep a big nice shank on my hip when I told these block, get down these foes. If you see us all dressed in black while he's round our fish, you best do 10 toes. I can run man down real quick for giving me lippy. Taking a piss, they flexing viz, don't bust no sticks. Bunch of lies, they ain't on shit, yeah we look on foot. Peds or whips, the truth must speak, no fibs. Got links for the wall, got tools on the street, so come round, they get weak. I had to run man down real quick for giving me lippy. Taking a piss, they flexing viz, don't bust no sticks. Bunch of lies, they ain't on shit, yeah we look on foot. Peds or whips, the truth must speak, no fibs. Got links for the wall, got tools on the street, so come round, they get wigs.
DT5 on the beat. DT5 on the beat.
Sensei.
Sharp fumes on this one, you get me? Plugged in.
In zone, tryna cause some hell. Mates dance, cut shapes as well. They can't have beef, so they sing like a doe. War is war and time will tell. Glock 32, no 3-2 belts. Get well soon if you hold these shows. Youngest or older, scream like girls. Rise this world, that's a digger for sale. In zone, tryna cause some hell. Mates dance, cut shapes as well. They can't have beef, so they sing like a doe. War is war and time will tell. Glock 32, no 3-2 belts. Get well soon if you hold these shows. Youngest or older, scream like girls. Rise this world, that's a digger for sale. If I crash this car on a glide, don't worry about a car getting dented. If I jump, I'll swing my shank. Pierce man's lungs and I fucking mint it. Stack my bread, then I gotta invest it. Waps on deck and in I test it. TP gang from the deepest trenches. Get back where I get back and then benches. Hold up, wait, I ain't finished this sentence. 4 waps up this smoke squad settings. Jump out gang, put the ops on pendants. 15 inch, but the Glock's my preference. 5 man deep, that's perfect attendance. But the ops keep hurdling fences. Don't ask me personal questions. Ching man down, I'm jerking him endless. Blacked out GLA or Mocha. Me and Ness in a broke down Honda. Spin that whip if I see me a upper, call back up, chinged in proper. Samurai sword, cuts like a chopper. Bro with the Glock, fill it with copper. Got a live corn for an upper. They don't wanna see what I got in my locker. Them man there just talk on the gram. I get round there in a ding dong van. Looking for him, most old cool fam. Slide that door, young G go ham. Pray to the 4-4 ting don't jam. Raid that aim 99, no Sam. I'm on the up block tryna rise and tan. I'm on the up block tryna rise and tan. I got bare girl round, jiggy on decking. Got the jiggy on decking. Just stay got the blicky and quef. No way, still get chef. Don't move right, you all get left. Shots get beat from the 9 and tech. Baddie, give drops in. Flick it, that's blades in necks. Who's that man throwing up? You can get left like the Christmas goals. Drugs, money, it comes from the coast. White like Tommy and brown like St. Patrick. Niggas get lit like I'm like man matches. Shots get sent, we don't wait for no catches. Fresh out the box and it's automatic. Told the driver, stop here, let me slap it. I'm on the back road, I'm on my Jack Jones, but still we crash corn at them. I beg you don't leave your friends. 6 feet deep where the ops get sent. Shit gets peak and I know they're stressed cause the OTP's got loaded skanks. Spin that whip, try catch me at M. Tell my young G's don't lack like Truly I ride, let's go on a glide. Shit gets peak when us man ride in my mother's hood when my ops get fried. Known to the pigs as a violent guy. You best not like got my zombie knife. Got no wax so the rappers a lie. Invest in shanks, still don't ride. Kidnap squad, don't rap no lie. Who's that, what's that, jump out, get him. In it with a rusty weapon. 2 AKs, put a 4 in a 7. Have you ever seen a golden beret? Slap that corner, he's mel. Slide through with the west. Question, why the fuck you leaving your brethren? In zone, tryna cause some hell. Mates dance, cut shapes as well. They can't have beef, so they sing like a doe. War is war and time will tell. Glock 32, no 3-2 belts. Get well soon if you hold these shows. Youngest or older, scream like girls. Rise this world, that's a digger for sale. In zone, tryna cause some hell. Mates dance, cut shapes as well. They can't have beef, so they sing like a doe. War is war and time will tell. Glock 32, no 3-2 belts. Get well soon if you hold these shows. Youngest or older, scream like girls. Rise this world, that's a digger for sale.
Views, the engineer. 50 cal mixed.
What? I was pissed in the jungle. What? I wanted to fuck off.
Practice makes perfect, 3R1 swang like Blake got birded. Round here we don't do no talking, if you talk I get slapped with a burner. Sweetie, show me. I know you're one on twerker. I know you're one on twerker. Shake that ass to me. Practice makes perfect, 3R1 swang like Blake got birded. Round here we don't do no talking, if you talk I get slapped with a burner. Sweetie, show me. I know you're one on twerker. I know you're one on twerker. Shake that ass to me. Shake that ass and me lean then go. I'm in the back of the ride with bro. Old school try smoke man, throw me in pool. Fish when it jammed in too. Why? Because I wanted a big man roast. Man can't talk to my bros when coon get let go. Man get brought like Lego. 4-4 can still hear the echo. What do you mean about Black Life Matters? If Black Life Matters, why black man still out here still rolling with his hammer? Had a star night, same time had a dagger. Had a shotgun when she got mashed up. Had a tray 8 when bros in the slammer. Mazza, creep up close to the cracker. Practice makes perfect, 3R1 swang like Blake got birded. Round here we don't do no talking, if you talk I get slapped with a burner. Sweetie, show me. I know you're one on twerker. I know you're one on twerker. Shake that ass to me. Practice makes perfect, 3R1 swang like Blake got birded. Round here we don't do no talking, if you talk I get slapped with a burner. Sweetie, show me. I know you're one on twerker. I know you're one on twerker. Shake that ass to me. I know you're one on twerker, shake for us, I shorty fling back. I'm in the tea house chasing cash, never trust no cat, get a key for the gaff. You know what it is if the gaff get boom, big man best know how to bank. Best know how to bank, best know how to bank. If you ever get back, that's years in the can, and if you get years in the can, that's sad. Bruce went in for my team, was it a shooting, was it a stabbing? Practice makes perfect, don't ask when my niggas are out with a hunting. Just know the last time bro put up and crash it, be like Jackson, now he's gonna miss like Madden. Practice makes perfect, 3R1 swang that Blake got birded. Round here we don't do no talking, if you talk I get slapped with a burner. Sweetie, show me. I know you're one on twerker. I know you're one on twerker. Shake that ass to me. Practice makes perfect, 3R1 swang that Blake got birded. Round here we don't do no talking, if you talk I get slapped with a burner. Sweetie, show me. I know you're one on twerker. I know you're one on twerker. Shake that ass to me. Practice, 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 practice. Practice makes perfect, 3R1 swang that Blake got birded.
The sweet one's tryna go on bougie, looking bougie, miss, excuse me. No, safe and then to the bacon and catch calling a 2-piece. Half it, bracket into soupy. Age 14 started going on movies. 15 when I first dropped me Tuesday. 16 the Raleigh, them try do me.
Age 15 when I stepped with a body. Chinged him 3 times, should've said sorry. Get real close, tryna push it in properly. G-checking one danky bossy. Get run down if you moving uppy. Kermit back the weapon, move cocky. Me and bro blacked out, moving dodgy. Badly, broke and neck and move sloppy.
I'm on the up block like let's find Wally. Sorry, I never touched nobody. Dick and my bladers done touch body. Just a big 15 when I stepped in collie. I'm in a bando with 2 brown skin hotties. One give noddy and the other one copies. Bando shouldn't build this hottie and I'm in a ding dong tryna stuff this shotty. Know we got locked for murder. Piss, bro was a well-known lurker. That day should I these burner. Bando K, I'm a real cash earner. I heard that them boys want beef. Me and DY made him drop his burger. Probably laugh with his PR smooth. I snap out your face, bad man will hurt ya. Yo, your older should get their license. Crashing cars on Scrooge, you're a learner. All now look, wait, turn up. Face is hot and I need me a worker. Raps her back, she's a well-known twerker. Mad Bruce got my toes curler. Hit wreck gates, can't go no further. I said no, you can't go no further.
Young age on a step with a whack. Didn't think twice, just gripped on a mash. Lean out the ride, do I jump out? Gang me and bro in a brat down, dinging that's facts. It won't take me long to itch it in back, man. Back out the rams and unclip that. Lou, did you know that I am a sav man? Pop this door with your best friend Dash. A&E where Brody's at. Jump out gang, watch Brody go tap. Slap this whack, watch your migraines gang. Shh, got slapped and he did it right back. Oh wow, don't know for your battery. Hop out, slap man right in his back. When you pull up on pens with a fuck off shag. Jump at the right cheek man, then dash.
It's all the OFs and that boy turned Casper, rapper. Now you better call me a trapper. Kermit, known as a local crusher. Map up, don't get lost in that Mazda. If I reach my waist, best back up. Strap up, protect your chest or get stabbed up. While the man was raving in Napa, Mazda. I was on the block to the packs done. And no one can tell me about gliding, riding. On the up block, bare mileage, hiding. Where's long? Can't find him, I'm lying. I just saw the pic of him dying, frying. This beef gets frying. I don't know why they ain't turn packing, but we're to bro. Of course we're trying. Ching man up on his block and start smiling. I'm on the next up, getting told that I'm next up. Heads up, don't get a rust up, head boss. Ketchup, spill all of that on my sweater. I'm on the up block in this block down Vectra. 10 toes ting, pedal bike or a Vespa. Lack low, forget your rust up, drenched up. Man, know I'm a OFB member. Put down your phone and go ride for your friend, cuz in the back of this 4-door hoopty, bookie. It's me trying to make that movie. Lucy, don't be picky and choosy. I'm on the up block trying to grab this group. And the boy a funny man, I got jokes like Scooby. And they heard them SJ and all the boys want do me. And I'm in a bando with this brown skin cutie, booty. If she want a bad, she'll suit me.
Big man come out your yard, get cabbage. Long ass docs on bro, got the hunting. Don't be getting confused with the rapping. We slide on man and move like assassin. Stop this whip pole, phone in your fabric. Chill on your block, no doubt we're attacking. I'm up in the field like the man you're matted. Back this rap on the board, I'm slapping. You the winner, but bro excited. Bro get round, that's mileage. Dip him, knife him, hop back in and it's straight over my bits. That's how I like it. He got bored, need you reviving. Hold his corn if you fuck with it. Beef with tongues and internet typers. Don't write back when the feds get knifed.
Start of the year got nicked for M. No common officer all the way to the end. Bro better cover his lens. Chopper is in someone's Benz. The boy keeps a circle for gems and the find him must go through circled again. You ain't scored on the O, can you tell me when? Slide on my block and you're getting 10. This bappy needs to line up the odds, so this is with them, she can hold this phlegm. This is your shit, no need to pretend. Long live niche, that stunt was men's. That didn't make no sense. Bust up his face when he hopped that fen. Black blade swing with all of my strength. Swing with all of my strength.
DT5 on the beat, DT5 on the beat, DT5 on the beat.
My night, run, you know.
If you're in the bando chasing up money, 100, you split back profit with your mummy. If your main thing said that she loves me, would you love her? Would you call her honey? Dummy. If bro rides that brocky, are you gonna run a whole cool with your body? And if you're whole cool with your body, I'm hoping that you ain't getting cool in your tummy. If you're in the bando chasing up money, 100, you split back profit with your mummy. If your main thing said that she loves me, would you love her? Would you call her honey? Dummy. If bro rides that brocky, are you gonna run a whole cool with your body? And if you're whole cool with your body, I'm hoping that you ain't getting cool in your tummy. I got a young and same colours, my jacket, he swore these nannies will grip it and bang it. Normal. Stop with the acting, stop with the capping. My guys pull up and tap it. My guys pull up and tap it. Close one eye and burn these. 2 hands on the shotgun, wind on the window, you know what's gonna fucking happen. Gally won't come round, gang for the drop your drawers, I'm smashing. Or open your mouth on badness, splish, splash. You know I ain't bragging. You ain't ever took it to the match like Brandon. Tried to bang it and the ting kept jamming. Matting, bro, use this cutter, knives on the landing. Something got touched, now they're blaming us. Yo, don't blame my friends. Pick up your whap and fill it with bells. And beat you gem, my brown is peng. The cats go mad cause the light and dark is lang. We open shops and dodge these feds. If you're in the bando chasing up money, 100, you split back profit with your mummy. If your main thing said that she loves me, would you love her? Would you call her honey? Dummy. If bro rides that brocky, are you gonna run a whole cool with your body? And if you're whole cool with your body, I'm hoping that you ain't getting cool in your tummy. If you're in the bando chasing up money, 100, you split back profit with your mummy. If your main thing said that she loves me, would you love her? Would you call her honey? Dummy. If bro rides that brocky, are you gonna run a whole cool with your body? And if you're whole cool with your body, I'm hoping that you ain't getting cool in your tummy. Broad day booting. Course it's my guys doing the shootings. Course it's my guys jumping out and scratching fuckings and keeping it moving. Every other day I got a baddie trying to suck man, tell the old man swam. And again, best move man with a ram, you screw too loose and kill you batty. Yo, put your hands like this, put your hands like that. Yo, Cyru dons, we crashed, we picked up burners and lamped on fuckers. If you know Trappy's a shiesty man, he was chilling on the left, bro came from the right, crept up and made it bang. Drop it, bang, 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 bang. In the bando, got a slang back crack. If you're in the bando chasing up money, 100, you split back profit with your mummy. If your main thing said that she loves me, would you love her? Would you call her honey? Dummy. If bro rides that brocky, are you gonna run a whole cool with your body? And if you're whole cool with your body, I'm hoping that you ain't getting cool in your tummy. If you're in the bando chasing up money, 100, you split back profit with your mummy. If your main thing said that she loves me, would you love her? Would you call her honey? Dummy. If bro rides that brocky, are you gonna run a whole cool with your body? And if you're whole cool with your body, I'm hoping that you ain't getting cool in your tummy.